Hello, SoCal Mango Tango here. Today we're diving into the world of headlights, and we're going to talk about these new headlights that Xprite has right now. They have the 4 different lighting options: high beam, low beam, daytime running lights, and turn signals. So far we're really loving these. They have the projection technology, which means that your light is not being reflected back into the headlight and forward. These are going forward in full strength, which means you're giving you more of a distance with your lighting. Another thing that we really love about these lights from Xprite is they're DOT and SAE certified. They do have your Z-cut line, so it's definitely important for your night driving when you have vehicles and traffic approaching you. They are waterproof, so they are going to hold up to any of your off-roading, mud, snow, and needs, as well as your daily driving needs as well. They were really easy to install, and they're plug and play, so I'm looking forward to driving with these for a little while and getting back to you, but so far we're really liking these. Now we're going to talk about the functionality of the lights in the 4 lighting modes. First, we have the daytime running lights, the headlights, the high beams, and also the turn signals. Now we will show you how to install the headlights.